Hi, I'm Chris from Discover eLearning. In this video, I'll show you how to use Fire Mods for Articulate Rise 360 to add a text-to-speech activation button to your course, enabling learners to have any text within a content block read aloud directly in the browser. To get started, just install the Fire Mod script into your Publish Rise project. We have a video detailing the steps of what to do over on our YouTube channel. Once you have published your project out of Rise and have the Fire Mod script in place, just look out for the block within the top settings section titled Text-to-Speech Customization. Here you can turn the setting on by changing this value to true, and then there are some optional customizations if you would like the button style, for example, to match the theme colors applied to your Rise course. Once you have saved the script and preview the project in the browser, you will see the text-to-speech button appear on any lesson page down here in the bottom right, and this can be toggled on or off at the choice of the learner, and when active, they can then click onto any Rise block containing text to hear this be read out in the browser.
My secret power is actually a practice.
Discover more about Fire Mods and everything else we have to offer for Articulate developers over at discoverelearning.com.